When you begin, it's always hard to start. It's common that you have high expectations. At first you lose when learning trading art. But don't give up, just try to have some patience. Of course you think that game will be so easy. Such business is as cruel as the rest. Don't let your wins just make your head be dizzy. If stay and trade, result will be the best. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Some time will pass and you will see the trading is not so hard for those who there long. There's always one.
Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome to my channel. And of course, first thing come along is the congrats. Congrats to the rest. Yesterday, you have made a great profits. Alright, thank you so much for your PMs and I received them with heartfelt gratitude. Thank you so much. Okay. So alright, so disclaimer, same thing, okay, every day I'm sharing this trade setup with my own personal sharing here, okay, it does not represent any institution, financial institution, and of course when it comes to investment always come with risk, okay, so better manage your risk properly, okay, and also the trade setup share over here. Alright, we have to wait for this trigger point to enter for a trade, and this video is the purpose for all of us to take a reference on how are we going to start off our trading, okay, the planning before we actually get into any trades. Alright, okay, so I hope my sharing here really gets some profits for you. Okay, I would love to receive all your messages, alright, telling me how well you have been doing, okay, and what else I can improve. Alright, so thank you so much, and again, well, good morning Hubert, alright, hi Mok from Malaysia, Mr. Xia from Malaysia as well, alright, okay, hi Kevin, alright, Kevin from Australia 又是要问我喜欢吃碗汤面吗哈云吞面 wonton noodle. Okay, it's a Chinese food in Asia, right? Okay, so thank you so much. Right, so all of you, I am very glad to see all of you here daily with me, and you know, it's a kind of a joy to share with all of you what have been happening, you know. Alright, so but today in this session is still my trade setup session, so let us focus, okay, and well, today is a Wednesday of the week, and today is the last day of the June. Alright, so trading wise still goes on as per normal. Alright, so yesterday we have a lot of currency pairs, like example we have this is what I have done. Okay, let me show you if you can see. Alright, let me show you. This is something like what I've done here. Okay, alright, this has been done for over so long, 10 over years, I would say. Okay, it's always a habit. Alright, so every day I'll be doing this. Okay, so yep, yesterday Aussie franc, well, I've been talking about Aussie franc for the past weeks, past 1 week, okay, and finally it came down. Okay, Aussie yen, yeah, good catch. Aussie dollar, euro, yen, okay, and pound yen. Alright, good catch for all this. Alright, so yes, yesterday we avoided a lot of pound, exactly. So Yeah, maybe yeah, certain period when the retracement come in a pound, yeah, it has a short-term gain. However, it's still on the long term, it's still on the long buying bull market. Okay, so well today it may be different. Okay, whatever goes up have to come down. So let us go into our trade setup and take a look what are we looking for. All right, so yes, let's take a look at Aussie CAD. We are still in the bull, so very likely in this bull session here, in the bull transition here, in over here, it's in my bull zone. Okay, in my bull zone where the support is. All right, so very likely it's going to retrace upward. When you are doing a short for this, okay, as you can see, all right, it's not easy for it to short further. Okay, especially it's in this zone. Okay. 澳加的话呢，现在不是一个很好的一个做空的一个货币对啊，因为在牛市转换站里面的话呢，往上回调的话的几率是非常大的哈。Alright, so let's take a look at yeah, Aussie yen, okay. Aussie franc, okay, let's take a look at Aussie franc. We are still in the bear market right now, but today we have some retracement up here. So waiting for the H4 to turn down, whereby this we have made a resistance over here. Aussie franc, yeah, okay, so looks good. Aussie franc to short today, okay, all right. So but we still have some support volume in the market now. So tentatively, I think I will still prefer to take a short-term gain, okay, short-term gain, okay. 澳瑞的话呢，目前现在在这一段的话哈，现在目前在这里这一个部分的话有这个压力了哈，一小时来了红点了，现在有压力了哈，所以现在看来往下跌的可能性是有的，但是呢，今天呢整体来看的话，还有一些支撑在这一段的那个，这是之前的这些绿色蜡烛的多单量还存在市场里。所以呢，现在目前这一看的话，也许是需要一点时间才会下来哈。Alright, so Aussie franc, okay, yeah, okay, so we can still, I will still prefer to wait for a little while more, okay. Alright, so how about Aussie yen? Aussie yen, we are in the bear market right now, okay. Same thing, we have a support volume inside, but turning down for short. And we are looking at where this is the support level, okay. And over here we have met the resistance right now. Aussie yen, okay, let me take a look. Aussie yen, all right, so Aussie yen turning down for short as well, okay. And let's wait for a little while more. I would say if you want to enter for a trade right now to short Aussie yen, okay, we will still have pretty good space over here, okay. Aussie yen, okay. When I speak a bit louder, you know what am I talking about, right? It's a hint. Aussie yen, yep. Okay, it still continue the short in the bear trend. 澳日的话，现在目前有遇到了压力了哈，在熊市里。不过这个4小时，这4小时现在转换为空，那么1小时这里有了压力，现在开始要往下做空了哈。OK， 不错，澳日 ，OK， 澳日哈 ，OK。Yes Flora, yes Flora, you are from Flora from California. Oh, I see, California. Okay, and oh, I see. Okay, so yep. Okay. Let me explain in this way with this Aussie Kiwi. All right. Okay, so Aussie Kiwi, we are in the bear market right now. Okay, looks good, pretty good. Okay, Aussie yen. Sorry, Aussie Kiwi. And now we are hitting on the resistance over here. Okay, that's good. Oh, it has short for a little while, a little bit. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, this over here, this spike here, my resistance level, green, red candle over here. This is one of the resistance. When you start to retrace upwards this way and it hits on the previous resistance without breaking, and this will form as a good chance for us to short. Where my system show me a red dot, okay, in H1, and I'm going to get ready to short. Alright, 澳牛今天是在熊市转换为空， 啊哈，现在哈，澳纽，OK，澳纽啊，不错哈，很好很好。OK，Aussie Kiwi I will take into my list。OK，澳纽我会把它收藏起来啊。OK，so let's see what else do I have. OK，and now let's take a look. Euro Aussie, we are in our Euro Aussie is still in our bear market now. Turning down for short, okay, but right now it is still away. There isn't any resistance tentatively. I don't see any resistance at the moment, so we have to wait for a little while. Okay, we have to wait for a little while. Okay, but Euro Aussie looks pretty good. If in my system Aqua cuts below the white line here, with another new resistance below this part, and we are ready to short. Okay. Okay, Euro Aussie, huh? Let me see. Euro Aussie, okay. Maybe tomorrow will be even better. Okay, right. So how about EuroCAD? Let's take a look at EuroCAD. Yes, EuroCAD, we are still in our bear market. And H4 now showing me that some retracement. Okay, H1 no, not yet, still a long way to go. Okay, so hang on with it 啊，欧加没有哈，现在欧加应该是明天才会有更好哈。Alright, how about Euro Pound? Euro Pound, we are in our bear market today. Okay, and now retracing upwards. And H1 no resistance yet, so I think today Euro Pound it looks pretty good, but it's still not the time yet. Okay, it's still not the time. So likely Euro Pound, I'm waiting for it to hit on the resistance, on this resistance, or likely is this resistance. Okay, yeah, very likely it will be this resistance here. Alright, if it hits on this resistance, or a new red dot with this resistance over here, yes, we can also do so. Okay, 好了 then I will take this down. Euro Pound, we can take a look. Okay, 欧镑的话呢，今天啊是在熊市。熊市现在目前呢要转换为空了哈，快要了。但是呢，我倒觉得说可能来这个欧镑呢，先让它上来，出现了红点，在这个压力位置的时候才来做空，会更好啊。OK， 好不好 ？Alright， so I will be going with English first, then I will be going into Mandarin for the translation. Alright, thank you, Flora. Thank you so much. Okay, and alright. Looks like this is interesting. Okay, let me see. We have yes. We are going into this Euro yen. Okay, Euro yen. Tentatively, we are in the bear market right now. Bear market, and turning down for short. Oh well, so beautiful. Okay, we have already hit on the resistance. Okay, we have already hit on the resistance for Euro yen, and the resistance is actually here. Okay, let's take a look. Turning down for short. Okay, and yep. Okay, this is the resistance, and it is not breaking, and it starts to turn down. Okay, Euro yen. Alright, Euro yen ready to short. Okay. Alright， 那个欧日啊，在熊市转换为空了，现在遇到了这个压力啊，你看这里有一个 V 字了没有？从这个压力开始回来，碰到的时候上去再回来，尝试突破不了，然后呢回来还是突破不了，之后就开始往下跌了哈，走得慢，但是可能下一部分再回来的时候碰到再下，也有可能现在就有进场点，都有可能。OK， 这个欧日不错啊。Alright, so Euro Kiwi, we are in our bear market right now, and tentatively, oh, we are on the resistance. Okay, it's pushing into the short trend. Okay, when aqua line cuts below the white line. Okay, and I think there will be another round of short. Okay, and will be another round of short, with a very big. Let me see. Okay. About 85 pips. Wow, looks good. Okay, the space is pretty good, but we have to wait. Okay, I think this have to wait for 1 or 2 hours. Okay， 欧牛的话现在要等啊，是在熊市里面转换为空了，而且压力已经出现了。OK， 压力已经在这一段出现了哈， 所以呢，现在等在水蓝线呢割下白线以后呢，我们呢有一个新的压力位置的时候，我们才来进场，好不好 ？OK， 好 ，Alright。So Euro Kiwi, I will also take down Euro Kiwi. Okay, next now Euro Dollar. Euro Dollar, we are in our bear market. Okay, we are in the bear market. But however, at this moment, this 4-hour session, it has a retracement with support. So I think likely, I guess we have to wait for a little while before we can get into the short position, whereby it hits on the resistance again. The resistance has been tested, but now it's testing again. So wait for it to test again, and if it's not breaking and start to turn down, then we start to short. Okay, alright. 欧美的话是在熊市转换为空了，现在不是，对不起，转换为空的这个熊市啊。但是回调现在是有点回调，所以在等待的就是这个回调啊，碰到这个压力以后，然后往下跌了之后，我们才做交易啊。OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so yes, oh, you can't subscribe to my YouTube channel. I guess probably you have not signed into your YouTube. So you got to sign into your YouTube with your Google Gmail account, and you will be able to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright. Thank you. And you are Nigel. Alright, Nigel. Alright. Thank you, Nigel. Where are you from, Nigel? Alright, so Pound Aussie. Let's take a look at Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie tentatively still on the bull, so forget about it. Okay, good for buying, not for selling. People who are doing a buy, remember to go for a support. Now we have a support level over here. Okay, 9, let me see this one. Okay, about, yeah, okay, so over here, if this is the buying signal. Okay, if you are going to buy, but look out for the resistance level where it may not hit, it may not break, and it will turn back. Okay, so get your profit here around this area. Alright, 棒澳的话只能做多不能做空的牛市。OK， 那么呢这个棒加呢今天还在我的这个熊市里做回调啊，所以这个棒加今天没得做了啊。OK， the Pound Cat is still on the bull run, so not for us. Okay, so people who are going for a bull buying, yes, Pound Cat is good for you. Alright, so how about Pound Franc? Pound Franc, we are in the bear market with support today, retracing up. So Pound Franc today is actually on the retracement, so forget about it. Alright, so 棒瑞也是现在在回调啊，今天是回调日啊，所以今天不做单子在棒瑞了哈。OK， 这个哇哦，这个棒日啊 ，OK， Pound Yen is still in our bear market. And going to turn down for short. Let's look out for the resistance level. The support level is over here. The resistance level is here. Yep. Okay, so it has already hit on the resistance. Pound Yen looks good as well until H4 turn red, and we are ready to go. Okay. Alright, so Pound Yen looks good, huh? Pound Yen. Okay. 好了，棒日的话不错，棒日的话呢，目前现在啊是在熊市，但是这个4小时，我在等待4小时转换为空，红色蜡烛出现，1小时已经碰到压力位，而且现在在这一段啊，似乎是要在尝试，好像是要在尝试突破，如果突破不了的话，它就要往下继续跌了哈。OK， 好不好？Alright, so now Pound Kiwi, we are in our bear market now, turning down for short. Turning down for short, but it's not into a short trend yet, so we have to wait for a little while. Pound Kiwi probably we have to wait for quite a long while, probably tomorrow. So let's skip today. 棒牛的话呢是在熊市转换为空，但是1小时这里呢还没完全符合进入的这个做空的阶段啊，所以呢我们现在呢就只好等啊，可能是明天了吧。Alright, so Pound Dollar is still on the retracement day today, and I'm looking at the resistance level and the support level. Okay, over here, this is the resistance level where I see green, red with my red dot here. Okay, this is the blue arrow with a strong support over here. Okay, so right now pound dollar is on the retracement day, unless when it hits on the resistance over here, and then it will start to turn down for short. But then it will be by then it will be an extension. So extension of short trend, it may take a while to come back short. Okay, so probably, yeah, I guess I will stay away at the moment today. Alright, dollar CAD is good for buying, not for selling, but today at this moment we are still facing on short term for retracement, a short period of retracement for short. Okay, and after that, once it hits on the support over here, which is very near now, and it may retrace to go up further up. Okay, alright, so dollar CAD no, it's good for buying, not for selling. OK， 美加的话，现在目前做多啊，还是在牛市，现在是小回调，一碰到支撑突破不了的话，它就要继续往上升啊。美瑞的话是在牛市转换为多，还是在做多 ？OK， 很明显。All right， 美日 OK，so dollar yen，let me see，dollar yen we are in the bear market now。 Bear market turning down for short. Alright. Oh, this morning we have resistance over here already. And now it's hitting on the support. So if dollar yen you want to trade for short, I guess we have to wait for it to go up to the resistance level. Then it comes back again. Then we will start trading. Okay. If not, I think probably I'll give it a miss today. Alright. Okay. And yeah. That's I won't put dollar yen into my list, okay, because it's not really helping so much. 美日呢，我是不会把它记录下来，虽然它是在熊市里做空啊，可是因为在支撑位了，所以现在在支撑位的话，我是不会把它筛选出来的哈。OK， 好不好 ？Alright. Okay, guys. Yep. Let me sum up for you. Well, it's very fast. Today we don't have a lot of potential one. Because looks like we have to wait for plenty of them, okay, before we actually have a chance to short. Okay, so right now let me see Aussie, Euro, Pound, okay, Euro, Pound, and Euro, Yen. All right, Euro, Kiwi, okay, and Pound, Yen. Okay. Alright, so these are what I have filtered out in this trade setup, so you can take a look in the comment. Alright, 好了，那么澳日、澳纽、欧镑、欧日、欧纽，还有镑日，好不好 ？Okay, yeah, guys. Yes, all this. So, for my student in this evening, okay, later I'll be creating an event, so pay attention to the events as well, okay. 好了，那么在这里呢，就是真的是非常感谢大家的时间 ，okay. Thank you for your time for coming into my video here, alright. So I will have to go because you are getting ready for your trading, alright. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you, CK. Thank you, Mr. Sia. Alright, okay, thank you so much, guys, and Eric from ACS Learning Hub shall wish you good luck in your trading and of course abundance of TP. Okay, right, guys, thank you so much. See you again.
When you begin, it's always hard to start. It's common that you have high expectations. At first you lose when learning trading art.